Upside down looking tree. It's called a baobab tree, and it looks upside down because it stores its water in its trunk. It goes leafless 9 months of the year, so it can survive really long periods of drought out here in Africa. But this is my absolute favorite view of the entire reserve, guys. These are the Serengeti grasslands. They stretch for miles across East Africa, and they're known as the superhighway to lots of migrating animals every year. They're also home to some of the most famous animals, like lions, giraffes, and elephants. Now, this is the wild Africa we're all working really hard to conserve. Serengeti grasslands gets its very unique look from all of the animals that live here. Elephants will bulldoze down these trees, making them all crookish. Giraffes will come up and eat the leaves until they can't reach them anymore. Antelopes like these guys on the left will mow down the grass around them, and nibblers like gazelles and warthogs will trim up all the edges. Now, these antelopes are sable antelopes. Sable antelope are the official emblem of the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. You may have seen them on the signs as you came in here today. Now, those curved horns can actually be about 5 feet long, and they're mainly used in determining dominance within their group.
That's an anthill, believe it or not.
Now, these little guys over here on the left are Thompson's gazelles, also known as Tommies. And they're so small, they do look like babies, but those are actually full-grown adults. Tommies can only weigh about 60 pounds when they're fully grown, so that's about as big as they're going to get. Now, if you take a look over to the left, you'll see a really tall cone of earth here. That's actually a termite mound. Termite mounds are made of mud and termite saliva. When the sun hits them, they turn as hard as concrete. So elephants use them as scratching posts. Once they wear them down enough, like that one on our right, antelopes stand on top of that and use it as a lookout post to see if predators are hiding in the tall grasses around them. Now, also on the right-hand side are those gray animals there. Those are white-bearded wildebeest. White-bearded wildebeest actually have one of the largest migrating groups left on the entire planet. About 1.5 million of those guys will get together every year and migrate across East Africa.